Hey everyone, Denver Pilates Girl here. Today we're talking about the reverse lunge with the addition of a loop band. Make sure it's just above your knee. Now let's talk about your lunges. When I'm going to turn sideways so you can see. So our lunge, when we go back, our ball of our foot is right to the floor. My knee is tracking toward my toe. It's not all the way back here, and it's not all the way forward. It's going right in a straight line down to your toe. Now as you lunge down, your body is an upright line. Now if you don't have the balance, use your wall, step forward. Let's take a look at it again. We lunge back, body's in a straight line. I don't want it down here, and I stand up. You can also use a chair in front of you. So this is what I don't want. This is what I'm looking for. My back is upright as I come forward. Find the floor, lower down, and stand up. Now that you know the proper form, execution, what to do and what not to do, this will be a great addition to your workout program. Until next time, I'll see you on your mat. Bye.